All right, so there's this new app called Weward, which is actually a walking app in which you can earn reward points towards items, gift cards, etc. Weward is totally free, and I've been trying it for a while now, and I'm going to give you a review and tour of this app. So Weward has a couple different ways that you can earn. You can earn by taking steps and walking just as you normally would and converting them. You also can play games, you can watch ads, you can shop, and a couple other things to earn rewards. So this app is available on Apple devices and Android devices as well. Now, just like a lot of these other reward apps, you're not going to get rich doing it, but it's certainly a fun thing to do to earn a little extra side cash, and it's something you're doing already, like taking a walk or playing mobile games. So the WeWord app has a 4.9 rating on the App Store. It is a legit app based out of Paris, France. So this video is basically going to break down whether or not it is worth your time. So when you sign up for the app and you log in, you're going to see a panda with a clock-like meter. This is going to be your walking meter. So in terms of tracking walking, you're going to have to sync your Fitbit, or you can sync your Apple Health app. And WeWord will update your steps throughout the day. You want to check in and convert your steps through every one of those goals to maximize your profit. Now, you're not going to get a ton of WeWord points by walking, but you can earn up to about 25 WeWord points per day, depending on how much you walk. The app home screen has the walking meter and shortcuts to other features. Ads can be watched every so often to get a chance at the spinning wheel. The spinning wheel offers a chance to win rewards and cards, which can be collected for additional prizes. The cards are a part of sets that you collect. Once sets are complete, you can get more rewards and other perks. Cards can also be obtained by walking to certain destinations on your map. The rewards icon at the bottom of the menu has access to the cards in your area and your reward collections. If you have duplicate cards, you can actually swap them to complete sets as well. In addition to walking, you can earn rewards through downloading and playing games, shopping, and various challenges. The Play and Earn site keeps track of your games and lets you know progress, goals, and rewards. There are various shopping promos as well. Earn rewards by shopping via the app. The Challenges tab allows you to earn extra rewards as well. The Redeem tab has your history and your transactions, as well as options for payouts through PayPal, gift cards, various products, entering sweepstakes that are drawings for prizes, or even donating to charity. In terms of PayPal conversion to rewards, every 100 rewards is about $1 on PayPal. The middle menu tab is for your friends list, league status for walking, and communities. You can earn more rewards and compete with others through this particular tab. Earning extra points will help you advance in terms of your league status via exercise, which can in turn add to more reward points. Overall, the Weward app is a nice option for a side hustle, especially if you're a walker or you play mobile games. Now, you're not going to get rich doing this, but it is totally legit, and it is a nice little side hustle or just a fun app to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.